Hi everyone. So today in this video you are going to learn why your APC battery backup keeps beeping and the steps that you can take in order to stop the alarm and identify what's actually causing it. So first of all, you need to take a look at the front display or the status LEDs. So if the UPS recently lost utility power, it may simply be running on the battery and beeping to let you know. So in that situation, the beeping should stop automatically once normal power returns. Next, you just have to think about what's connected to the UPS. If you have recently added a gaming PC, any spare heater, laser printer, or other high power device, the UPS may be overloaded. So many of the APC units respond the overload conditions with the continuous alarms until the excess load is removed. Now you can also test the locate the test button. So it is going to look something like this. So you need to locate the test button if your APC model has one, and you just have to simply press and hold it according to the instructions for your model. If the UPS immediately reports a battery problem during the self-test, you have narrowed the issue down significantly. At this point, if the battery was recently replaced, you can also open the battery compartment and verify that the battery connector is also fully seated. Now, once you have checked the battery, you can just simply turn the UPS off completely, then disconnect it from the wall power and unplug it. And you just have to keep it disconnected for at least 5 to 10 minutes. After this time duration, reconnect everything and power the unit back on. So that's how you can basically fix it. Thank you.